good video right there, dude.
Lúc phải nó tao sẽ lúc truck nè nè lúc sẽ bị truck này tao lost snow này chỉ bắt tao đi khó chịu liền bây giờ lúc lâu thìวันที่เก่าเปล่าởผ่านเกาหลีนู่นนอนเลยก็สิไปเจอเต้าเลยคือ déjà il y a une foot of snow hello interesting huh this is spring snow anybody want to come and join us in Minnesota you are welcome to do so this is cho nhỏ chỉ tàu làอยู่เจวันเสาร์วันที่เจนู่นนอกูตื่นอย่าเท่าต่อตีนู่นนอ off นู่น Saturday ซะนะปีกี่ดามาเลยเจยังมันแรงซะ wow what a day huh your day off can do much
Oli chino shaino o chino shaino de no shana de nó là lost snow mà phía
cho lúc mẹ ai nói chứ thầu lúc snow chứ nhưng mà sẽ ăn thằng họ
lâu luôn là sẽ cao luôn là một ba
it's windy it's about 15 miles per hour per forecast
một chiếc xe hoa sữa này à chúng ta à
nhau có sao
lên chẳng nào nha
sắp bay for a drive ra yeah for a snowy drive
yes
có bó xe này hả
yeah it's too let's roll like this
trông thì sơ chẳng nó nào tao nói tôi họ có mong bé cho bé lấy đó là mà PM ở xe有冇成 pause 呢我只来做这个后来那是来着只来那好像那上班这个嘛 Saint Paul 嘛 Mount Village 了啥着呢